Namaskar friends, this is Acharya Raman here. I am going to talk about how 2021 is going to be for all the ascendants from Aries to Pisces. Saturn is transiting in the star of Sun, Jupiter is in the star of Sun, Rahu will be in Mars star and Ketu will be in Mercury star. These are the four main planets which basically decide how the world is going to be for the coming 1 year to 2.5 years depending upon the transits of the planets. And if you are running the period of these planets, then the effect are going to be maximum, otherwise the effect are not going to be so direct. We are passing through the age of Corona. So, Corona is not going to go in 2021 also, and after studying the horoscopes of over 100 people, I personally came to the conclusion that Rahu is the main factor or Ketu is the main factor, because Rahu was the only thing common in those 100 horoscopes. All the people who had acquired Corona globally had Rahu running in their Dasha Bhukti Yantra, or their Dasha Lord was in Rahu star, or the Dasha Lord was conjoined with Rahu, or Rahu was sitting in the sign of that Dasha Lord. So these are the points, after studying which I came to the conclusion that if you are running the period of any planet which is in the star of Rahu or sub of Rahu, or you are running or if you are running the dasha of Rahu or Ketu, then be very careful. Do not go out without mask. Keep your hands sanitized. Keep washing your hands. Keep away from strangers. Do not travel until unless it is very necessary. And also at that time be very careful, very strict. Otherwise there is no way you can stop yourself from having Corona. Said this, you may be wanting to talk to me again and again, so all you have to do is one simple thing. Just go to the Play Store and download our app, Varta app, Astro Sage Varta app. So you can download it and you can call me directly after refilling. So why are you waiting? Just download the app and call me. And suppose if you don't find me on the app, or maybe I am offline, so you can call our customer care. They will arrange a call within very few minutes. So now let me start the horoscope of all the 12 ascendants. Coming to the people of Sagittarius, you are having pleasure and prosperity all the year round mostly. Coming to your family life, there will be a lot of goodness in your family, there will be entry of new member, the family tree is going to grow definitely. You will be able to give time to the family and enjoy good moments. There will be auspicious happenings in the family in this year. Your relation with your neighbors is also going to improve, there will be mutual give and take of things and favors. Coming to your love life, the 5th house has no blemish this year, but the months till April are not good for having a good relation. There will be miscommunication and misunderstandings, and you will try to dominate your partner. You should realize that your partner is also a human being and has feelings just like the same you are having. So give time and try to understand him or her. Bullying does not work in the matters of love, but later things will get good and on track. You will be able to enjoy things in a better way, and mutually there will be a lot of goodness together. Love marriage is also possible in the later part of the year. For many of you, your love can grow to marriage. Coming to your married life, the goodness will prevail in your married life, and you will be able to enjoy life and time properly. You will share good moments with your spouse and will have possible childbirth of a good soul in the family. You will be having travels and will be making purchases of jewels and ornaments for your spouse this year. There will be grace overall. Coming to your health, there is not much to worry, you need to curb on your taste buds, which may try to make your weight out of proportions this year. Coming to your job, salaried people will have good growth this year, except people with Ketu Dasha or the Antra. All will be progressing positively. Salary hike, new job, promotion, everything is there. You will be gaining most if you are running the periods of Jupiter and Saturn. Coming to your business prospects, business fraternity is also going to gain a lot this year. All of you will be making money. People with Jupiter Dasha particularly will accrue a lot of wealth. You will be able to expand this year to new horizons. You will be able to make gain from past investments. There will be profitable partnerships, and there will be purchase of new assets for business growth. Coming to your finance, money will be coming up plenty this year for people with Saturn and Jupiter Dasha people. Ketu Dasha people will be having losses and cheatings in their financial adventures. Theft is also a possibility. Be careful while traveling. The task this year is to save as much as you can, because when a lot of money comes, people in general tend to get a bit egoistic and make useless purchases. Property and vehicles, this is definitely here to buy not only property, vehicles, but also costly ornament, jewels, gold. Invest in gold when you find the right time. A big size vehicle is promised for you, and the same for people looking to buy home. People with Ketu Dasha should stop this year, refrain themselves from going for any of these purchases, as it is not going to be a good idea at all. Accidents: February, December, June are the crucial months. Particularly people with Ketu Dasa Antara should be utmost careful in the month of June and December. So friends, this was all for horoscope 2021. Some may find it good, some may not find it very good. This is what I can come up with, seeing the rotation of the planets. If you want to talk to me, you just download the Varta app and give me a call. But first of all, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can get all the videos from our side. As for now, Namaskar.
एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।